Picture this. Snow falls softly. The world is quiet. A blanket of white covers the ground. Everything seems still. Do you ever feel lost in the rush? Winter invites us to slow down. Winter can be a challenging time. The days are shorter. The nights are longer. We might feel less motivated. But what if this season held a different kind of magic? What if winter was an opportunity to reconnect with ourselves? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Mindfulness is about being present. It's about noticing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Winter, in its quiet beauty, offers a unique space for this practice. Winter invites us inward. It's a time to reflect and recharge. Just like nature slows down, so can we. This is the beauty of winter mindfulness. Nature has a rhythm. We see it in the changing seasons. Winter is a time of dormancy and rest. It's a time for nature to restore itself. We too can embrace this slower pace. Winter allows us to turn inward. We can focus on self-care and reflection. It's a time for deep rest and rejuvenation. Section 4. Grounding practices for winter days. There are simple practices to help us stay grounded during winter. One is walking meditation. Find a quiet spot, even if it's just your living room. Feel your feet on the ground with each step. Notice the sensations of your body moving. Another practice is connecting with nature. Find a tree. Notice its strength and stillness. Feel the rough bark against your hand. Even in winter, nature offers grounding energy. Section 5. Cultivating presence, a season of growth. These practices can become daily rituals. Start your day with a hot drink meditation. Hold your mug, feel its warmth, inhale the aroma, savor each sip. Throughout the day, check in with your 5 senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? This simple practice brings us back to the present moment. Winter then becomes a time of growth and presence. It's a time to nurture ourselves and cultivate inner peace. Embrace the stillness of winter. Discover the beauty of mindfulness in this magical season. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.